So in the last stage, which was the oxidation and phosphorylation stage, we got 1,3 biphosphoglycerate, right? This was what we got in the last stage, in stage number 6. Now stage 7 is phosphate transfer. Phosphate transfer. What happens is one of these phosphates goes to ADP and ATP is formed. Okay, ATP is formed. Of course, along with ADP, 3-phosphoglycerate is also formed. O minus, COH, H, CH2O, P, right? So one important thing that you have to remember, so this is, of course, this is 3-phosphoglycerate, right? Okay, what you have to remember is, to begin with, you had glucose, so you had 6 carbons. Then you got 2 3-carbon molecules, which is the glyceraldehyde 3-phosphates, right? So this glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, now you got it into 2 molecules that have phosphate so you ended up with 2 3-carbon molecules with 2 phosphate groups, right? So from 1 6-carbon we came up with 3 carbon molecules and 2 of them. So if I have to write this explicitly, I would maybe write it like this: C double bond O, O, C, C, O, like this, right? Now in stage number 7, when phosphate transfer takes place, each of these molecules will give away their phosphate to ADP, right? And 2 ATP molecules are formed. 2 ATP molecules are formed. What you have to understand here is, we started with the glucose molecules, 1 glucose molecules, which is a 6-carbon thing. From stages 1 through 5, you used up 2 ATPs, if you remember. Then we ended up with a 3-carbon molecule, 2 of them. And now in stage 7, we are giving away the phosphate, or the 3-carbon sugars or 3-carbon compounds are giving away phosphates, giving 3-carbon molecules, or more precisely 3-carbon ions, which look like this: O minus, OH, H2O, and phosphate, 2 of them, and 2 ATP molecules are produced because they are giving away the phosphate to ADP, and so 2 ATPs are produced. So we used up 2 ATPs and we are producing 2 ATPs. So we got the ATPs that we used up, the glucose used up 2 ATP molecules, and through the course of the reactions 2 ATP molecules have been produced back, right? So this is so far whatever ATP molecules were consumed, those are given back.